What's up everybody, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video I will teach you the choreography that I made last time. So the title of the song is called Slow Wine by Nailah Blackman and Konshens. Alright, so let's go to the studio and start. So everybody, let's start. So we do it maybe two ways because it's very slow. And some part is quick. So it goes like this. The moment you hear the music, you're gonna go drag it 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, then head on 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue open on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure your weight is on the left. One more time. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we go to quick one with the cha cha cha, something like this. You're gonna go hit 1, 2, 3, 4. You get that one? Okay, I'll put it up 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8 and. So 8 and then you're gonna dip on a 1, 2, 3, change on 4, step to right 5, 6, hit 7, 8 and. One more time. So you go from 6 and 7, hit 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and dip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Next, you drop this, then you're gonna go for 1, 2, 3 and stop. So this is right, back, left and up. So 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Side 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So your weight is on your left. That means you can raise it. Alright, one more time. Let's do it from the beginning first. So 6, 7, and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and tap, tap, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and zip, 2, 3, quick, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. Are you okay, girls? 7, 8. You're gonna go change weight. 1, back on 2, step 3, 4. Okay? Side 5 and 6, hip 7 and 8. One more time here on here. 6, 7, change weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Continue down on 1, 2, 3, 4. Take time here. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time from here. Continue at 2, 8 straight. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. Next, go up 1. Sorry, 7. Next up, change weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 4, you're gonna look up on 4, down on 5, 6, open on 7, and 7 and 8. So make sure your this position is like this, 7 and 8. Okay? I don't know what happened to my board. It's cracking like this most of the time. One more time. So gig 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next, almost go 1, 2, 3, straight on 4, go 5, 6, 7, straight down on 8. Take your time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue here. Go close up. Open on 5, back on 6, side on 7, recover 8. Anything up and finish. One more time. We go from here. 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Let's try everything from the beginning, very slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Wrong count. Sorry. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3. Change. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 2, 3. Hop. 5, 6, 7. Drop your hand overhead. Keep 4. Up. 6, 7. Here we go. Close and 4, 5. Open. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 6, 7, 8. No. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And good job!
You know you want it.
Oh yeah.
You want it bad.
Alright.
You know you want it. You want it bad.
I'm dead.
Get this juicy, juicy, juicy bad.
I love.
Come get this. You know juicy bad. Hands on my head, rotated. I wanna take all alive. Oh, right now we get to serious. Get deep inside. Get deep inside my love. Go deep inside. Get deep inside my mind. Stars, stars, stars only now. Stars, stars, captains only now. Stars, stars, are you wanting back?
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you'll enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.